Seed bombs have emerged as a simple yet effective solution to promote reforestation, biodiversity, and beautified vacant spaces, also known as seed balls or seed grenades. These creations have a rich historical background, serving as a practical method for reseeding areas affected by natural disasters, erosion, or human activities. Today, we dive into the world of seed bombs, exploring their origins, their purpose, and how you can make them yourself. The concept of seed bombs can be traced back to ancient times when various cultures employed similar techniques to disperse seeds and aid in the regeneration of nature. Historically, seed bombs were used as a method of reclaiming devastated landscapes, such as war-torn regions or areas affected by wildfires. They provided an efficient way to reintroduce vegetation and restore the delicate balance of ecosystems. In recent history, seed bombs gained popularity as a form of guerrilla gardening. Urban areas, often plagued by concrete expanses and lack of green spaces, became targets for these environmental activists. Guerrilla gardening was labeled a rebellious act of cultivating plants in public spaces without formal authorization. Seed bombs played a pivotal role in this movement, offering a discreet and effective method to add seeds without being seen. With a handful of seed bombs, guerrilla gardeners would throw them over fences into vacant lots to transform them into miniature havens of biodiversity until eventually developed. These urban activists strategically targeted areas such as vacant lots, abandoned buildings, roadside strips, and forgotten alleyways. By utilizing seed bombs, they could quickly and covertly introduce a variety of plant species, ranging from flowers and herbs to shrubs and trees. However, the power of seed bombs extends beyond guerrilla gardening in urban settings. During the Dust Bowl era of the 1930s in the United States, when severe drought and poor land management practices led to widespread soil erosion, seed bombing techniques were employed to combat the devastation. The Civilian Conservation Corps, CCC, a New Deal program, utilized aircraft to drop seed bombs containing drought-resistant grasses and legumes over the affected regions, aiming to stabilize the soil and prevent further erosion. In Japan, a technique similar to seed bombing, called suchi dango, has a long history. Suchi dango translates to earth dumplings and has been used for centuries in the practice of reforestation. Small clay balls were filled with a mix of soil, seeds, and organic matter, then thrown or scattered onto barren or deforested areas. This traditional method allowed communities to restore forests and establish sustainable ecosystems. Seed bombs have also found application in post-conflict zones, where they contribute to healing and rebuilding efforts. For instance, in war-torn regions like Kosovo, Colombia, and Rwanda, seed bombs have been used to restore vegetation, improve soil quality, and provide economic opportunities for affected communities. They have also been employed on a larger scale to tackle environmental challenges and restore vast areas of land. In some cases, seed bombs are dropped from airplanes, a technique known as aerial reforestation, to reforest remote or inaccessible regions. Aerial reforestation involves dispersing seed bombs over deforested or fire-ravaged areas that are difficult to reach by traditional means. By dropping seed bombs from planes, vast tracts of land can be efficiently reseeded, kickstarting the natural regeneration process. The seed bombs contain a mix of tree seeds suited to the specific ecological conditions of the area, enabling rapid reforestation and the gradual restoration of biodiversity. This method has been particularly successful in restoring landscapes devastated by wildfires. Aerial reforestation holds the potential to reestablish forests and accelerate the healing of landscapes on a larger scale, creating sustainable habitats for wildlife and mitigating the effects of deforestation and climate change. Seed bombs, whether utilized in guerrilla gardening or aerial reforestation, have become symbols of environmental activism and hope. They embody the idea that even small actions can have a significant impact on the natural world. From transforming neglected urban spaces into vibrant gardens to reforesting vast expanses of land, seed bombs empower individuals and communities to actively participate in the restoration and conservation of our planet. So how do you make these powerful green allies? Here's a simple and eco-friendly recipe to create your own seed bombs. First, you need the following ingredients: clay or compostable potting soil, dried powdered clay, which is optional, water and variety of seeds suitable for your region and environment. When you have gotten all of that, then follow these instructions. 1. Mix 3 parts of clay or compostable potting soil with 1 part of dried powdered clay in a large bowl. The powdered clay helps hold the seed bombs together, but if you can't find it, clay alone will suffice. 2. Slowly add water to the mixture while kneading it until it forms a dough-like consistency. Aim for a texture that holds together without being too wet or too dry. 3. Take small portions of the mixture and press a few seeds into each one. Feel free to use a diverse array of flower, herb, or vegetable seeds, depending on your preference and the local ecosystem. 4. Roll each portion into small balls, approximately the size of a marble. Place the seed bombs on a tray or a piece of newspaper and let them dry for at least 24 hours. Once your homemade seed bombs have dried, it's time to put them to good use. Find suitable areas such as empty lots, gardens, or even roadside patches that could benefit from a touch of greenery. Simply toss or gently place the seed bombs onto the soil, allowing them to settle and germinate naturally. With time, rainfall, and favorable conditions, these tiny spheres of life will burst open, bringing the seeds inside and contributing to the local ecosystem. The power of seed bombs lies not only in their ability to create beauty, but also in their potential to restore habitats, attract pollinators, and combat soil erosion. By making and using seed bombs, you become an agent of change, playing an active role in preserving and enhancing the natural world around you. If you are not the crafty type, there are many seed bombs available to purchase. Find ones that are a fit for your growing zone and can benefit your local landscape. Don't forget to support your pollinators. We've dropped some links in the bio. In conclusion, seed bombs are a remarkable innovation that blends history, conservation, and do-it-yourself gardening. They have been used throughout the ages to heal wounded landscapes, and today they offer everyone an opportunity to contribute to the planet's well-being. So gather your materials, roll up your sleeves, and embark on a journey to transform the world one seed bomb at a time. Happy planting!